Okay, this is the NTPC Limited share. So this is the good formation here. So that reason also I need to analyze this chart. Okay, this is a good resistance here, and this is the good trend line, ascending trend line also I drawn. So this is a one of the formation of ascending triangle. Okay, so you have to wait for the breakout and after trade with and get some good profits. Okay, because normally the triangle patterns are played very well because that's a profitable pattern, the ascending triangle and descending triangle and which pattern, flag pattern. Okay, these patterns are normally I discussed in the previous videos because that these patterns are very profitable. Okay, you can see my channel and I posted a lot of videos like this triangle patterns. Okay, we've discussed this current pattern here. The second touch also, but somebody thinking this is the breakout, but this is not a breakout. Why this is not breakout? Okay, why this is not a breakout? Because this is the red candle. The red candle, this is the open price and this is the closing price. So this candle isn't closed that day. This is the daily candle. So that day isn't break this 101.31 price on the closing time, but the closing price, the opening price in here, and after the opening time on morning, that market also coming down and closed nearly 97.27. so this candle isn't break this resistance. Okay, that's close below. So this is the good touch, not a breakout. Okay, and downside also we have 1 3, this time also close. Okay, today close on bottom area. Okay, but isn't break this downside. Okay, so this is the 1 2 3 times touched in the trend line. So the current market have a chance to again going up and have a chance to the fourth time touch on 10 line, after have a chance to break that. Why I break from upper side have a chance, the possibility is high. Okay, but this can break from downside also. Okay, don't worry, this can also break from downside also. Okay, did you got my point? There's two types of chances here, but you need to wait for the market and the momentum breakout. You can confirm by the low time frame, after you can go for the trade. Okay, right, this is a good trading opportunity here. Okay, thank you, and learn again this chart. You need to draw these lines again you want, and after you can go with the trade. Okay, thank you.